Khuwai bukhaste Baijalbari sports articles and accessories distribution program khlaijakha. MLA Ranjit Debbarma ni Fundni rangbai. Pandao nograi motom ungoi phaimanjak phaikya Montri Animesh Debbarma, EM Robindra Debbarma, SDM DM Chandi Chandra tei Khuwai Junal Chairman Bishu Debbarma. Abono karibo Podobil RD Block ni video chekar naitungde kubikok TV mangkliwo.
Jangan disahkan lagi thalai tabok serang pula ini panen kok nalai mah dikit thalai nyai ini Cina orang pula kok nargana.
It's a big thing. Bini kok sama ni kenai nang bonus sungguh nang Kerala ni deh ini sama. So nice that she has also become the project for a day today. Sini kan mungsung kani. Sini Zonal Development Committee ni chairperson Takuk Bishu Botong Bono Bahambai. Tik DM ni ayango asuk jagbo SDM. SDM bo ekdin DM ni DM bo secretary bo chief secretary. And I am happy to meet her also. I saw the order actually when she joined. There was an order. Bokuk boto zeraino kwaite. Engineering paidro IS officer katalika Khuwai Rohjaka. Very nice. I can remember around say 35 years back. There was one lady. She has already changed her cadre from Tripura. She also came and joined as SDM Khuwai. At that time, the total Khuwai district was Khuwai subdivision. The whole of the district today, it was only a single subdivision. So SDM Shaiba Bobo Tongo, Tik Bini Kinaro Chini video Bobo Bere Sar Ranjit Sao Nari Shokti Pradashan Kenyan Dagi in our program. So big congratulations to all of them.